Hey there! If you could automate getting clients in your business, would you finally have time to do the things that you actually love? Absolutely. There are so many reasons why you need an automated marketing system in your business. And when I'm talking about automation, I'm simply talking about getting someone who is a complete stranger to become a paying client without the manual task. So you're generating leads daily without having to chase down clients. I want you to feel relief and comfort for having that consistency month after month to just know that baseline is covered. That's why I created a free masterclass, the 3 steps to attract your dream clients and drive traffic through the roof. It will show you the step-by-step process to build this system that generates clients on autopilot, even if you aren't actively working in your business. The beauty is you only have to set it up once, it runs daily, and generates leads on autopilot. You will leave the masterclass feeling confident about marketing your business effectively. And setting up an automated marketing system is one of the best things you can do for your business. You're providing value while also automating things so you can have more time to focus on the things that matter while still hitting your goals. So all you need to do is click the link around this video to claim your spot in the free masterclass to learn how to build your own automated marketing system and attract those dream clients. So click the link. I hope to see you there.